What's up, guys? Hockey Snaps Inc. here. I'm here with my cousin, Davin.
Hi.
So, we're gonna go in this hockey rink. His brother is in it right now, in our little hockey game. So, let's go in. We'll go to the vending machines.
We can show you how to get more money off of quarters.
Eggs. Exactly. Eggs, exactly. Okay. We'll be there in a few seconds. Center speed. We'll just go play street hockey. No, just right. Here's the vending machine.
With the quarters, see? It says 2012 on it.
Got 2012.
I don't know if you can see it or not, but it says 2012. I can put it in.
You click that
the
coin
coin
return. You coin? What is it?
2015.
Exactly.
And we can get an old one. I did this before and I got a 1918 quarter from it. 1918.
We just got. We just did this a few minutes ago. We got a.
1970.
We got a 67. And we have a 66. A 65. What would you just get?
I just got another 2015. Should I go ask my dad for more quarters?
Yeah, go ask him for more quarters. I'll just
come with me.
Alright. I'm just gonna make the lighting better so it's like darker.
Right.
The brightness continues.
What?
The brightness continues. Except now. Now it's darker.
We will also be making a video later today.
With his
Playing
dog.
with my dog.
Dogs these days.
Crazy.
Crazy dogs.
Pop the balloon.
Exactly. Ooh. Oh, my toe. That is not good. Oof. Oof, my toe. Oh. Is this cross ice?
Yeah, and my brother's a mite. Still a mite.
He's a mite. Mites. Mites are mites. Miters. Oh. Oh. Which team is your brother?
My cousin Matthew is also going to be with me tomorrow, so
Yeah.
he might record my game. By the way, I'm number 77.
He's number 77. Oh, okay.
I play for the Islanders.
I see him.
I play for the 07 Islanders and North Reading Hornets.
So, in the net, if you see the goalie, that's my other
brother.
That's
My
his
brother.
my cousin, my other cousin.
And the goalie.
He's a little guy, right out there.
Go back to the vending machines if you go.
Yeah, let's go back to the vending machines. That was cool. Heck yeah. Let's hope I don't get my toe jammed again. Yeah, so I dropped my phone. That's why it's all stupid and weird with the light. That's why I want to make it darker. If I make it lighter, it's going to make it terrible. It's horrible. Yep, you heard it.
It's broken. It's broken.
Oof.
It's broken.
Oof.
Oof. Still works.
It still works, but it's oof.
Oof.
Oof. Oof. All right, let's get some Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew. All right, yeah. So I got the 65, 64. No, 67, 66, 65.
That was my nickel.
That's your nickel? You just get it. Anything below a 64 is silver. Silver's
It's true?
Yeah. Any coin like that. So that includes nickels,
1930s.
1930?
No, I'm just kidding.
No.
1995.
All right, I got a nickel and a quarter.
I think I should get a drink.
Let's just put our sticks down somewhere over here. Oh, show him the thing that you can whistle with your teeth.
No.
Do it. Do
I
it.
wanna.
Do it. He whistles with his teeth. It's so cool.
It just runs with me and my dad. No one else in the family can do it. Except for Papa. My Papa.
No, it's unloaded. No. Alright, I just got a 2016
Nickel?
nickel. Alright, 1999. I keep getting those. That's kind of annoying. Jesus Christ. No. 30 cents indeed.
What?
30 cents indeed.
How? 25.
No, these are mine. Mine, I say mine. I just got a 91.
Good believe.
Alright. See you later, my dudes. Goodbye.
With my dog.
Yes, dogs.